The girl they never believed in. Amina was a young girl who lived with her aunt in a small town. Her parents had passed away when she was very little, so her aunt took her in. At first, Amina was happy to have a home, but as she grew older, she realized she was treated very differently from her cousins. While the other children woke up to breakfast and warm clothes, Amina woke up to chores. She swept the whole house, washed plates, and fetched water before she was allowed to eat. Even when she was tired, she never complained. She only wanted a chance to go to school and learn like every other child. Amina loved business. Whenever she followed her aunt to the market, she watched the traders closely, how they talked to customers, how they arranged their goods, and how they counted their money. Her eyes always shined when she saw the busy stalls. She dreamed of having her own shop one day. But her aunt never supported her. Anytime Amina talked about going to school or learning business, her aunt shut her down. She said Amina was only good for housework. Many times, Amina watched her cousins leave the house with school bags while she stayed behind washing clothes by the stream. She felt left out, but she carried her hope quietly in her heart. One day, her aunt sent her to the market to sell some vegetables. She stood in the hot sun calling out to buyers. She arranged the vegetables neatly and greeted people with a bright smile. Surprisingly, she sold everything faster than usual. Some customers even praised her manners. That day, she realized she had a natural gift for business. Amina continued helping in the market whenever she could, and she got better at it. But she still had no chance to learn properly. Her aunt used all the money she made but never thanked her. Amina felt invisible, but she kept trying her best. Years passed, and Amina became older. She had no certificate, no shop, and no support. Still, she refused to give up. She worked small jobs, saved every little coin, and learned from every trader she met. But life was tough, and the opportunities she wanted never came. One afternoon, Amina sat in front of a big, beautiful plaza in the city. She watched people rushing in and out of shops. She imagined her name written boldly above one of the stores. She imagined selling goods to people from every corner of the city. Her eyes filled with tears, not because she was weak, but because she knew she could have become great if life had been kinder. She held her worn-out purse close and whispered softly to herself. I would have become a successful businesswoman in the whole city. But even as she said it, Amina promised herself something: she would help other orphan girls learn business so they would never feel the pain she felt. Her dream had been delayed, but she chose to turn her story into a lesson for others.